Here's how to create a new blog post in your new Divi WordPress website. This tutorial assumes you've already gone through the basics of editing content and logging into your website. This is specifically for adding new blog posts. First, once you're logged into the WordPress admin, go over to the left-hand navigation menu where you'll find an option called Posts. Hover over Posts or click on it, and then select Add New. Now once you select Add New, like anything within WordPress, there's always a lot of buttons and options that you don't need to worry about. So let's just focus on the ones that you'll need for a new blog post. First, always select the purple Use the Divi Builder button. Next, navigate over to the right-hand side where you'll see Divi Page Settings. Under the Page Layout, change your layout to full width. Then, give your post a title. Next, let's pull in a template to make it easy for you to make your blog post look nice. In the Divi Builder, select Load Layout from the purple menu. You can pull in a layout from two different places, but we have stored saved layouts for you in order to make it really easy to have a well-formatted blog post. Select one of your layouts that are labeled as a blog layout. Let's select Blog with Photo Template. Once you've selected this, it will pre-fill a bunch of sample information to make it clear what to put into each module. So you want to then go through each and swap them out for the information for your current blog post. In order to see what you've created so far in the template that you're working with, you could go over and preview your post once you've loaded your layout. To do that, go over to your Publish box and select the Preview button. And you can see that you have preloaded, for example, a photo at the top and a section of text that you can swap out. Now let's return to the edit screen. First, go to your top image or your top section, and you can replace this image with one that you'd like to use on your blog post. You can select an existing image from your media library, or you can select to upload a brand new image if you would prefer from your computer. For today, we'll just select one that's already in a library. Once you've checked the image that you'd like to select, hit Set as Image in the bottom right-hand corner. You'll see that your image now appears here, and then make sure you hit Save and Exit. The other area on a blog post that you'll want to swap out is your text. So hit the menu to open up your text, and you can just delete out all of your sample text. You can highlight it all, and then just hit your delete key, and you can type your blog post here. Just like you've already seen when you learned how to edit content, you can use all of your normal editing tools here, such as bold, italic, and of course formatting bulleted lists, paragraphs, and aligning things in different ways. Once you've typed all of your blog post content, you can hit Save and Exit. We're going to go back so that it appears filled out from our sample text. Now the other sections, there's no reason to change out. All you need to change is your photo and your text. The other areas that you might want to fill out for every blog post. First, you want to select one category. Don't select more than one category. Just select the one that best describes this blog post. So let's hit customer success for today. If there are other descriptors that you'd like to use to describe your blog post, go ahead and fill those out in tags. And you are welcome to use 5 to 7 tags, or recommended 5 to 7 tags. You can use as many as you would like. Tags can be one word or several words. Finally, every blog post needs a featured image. The featured image appears on your blog in any blog role and on your blog main page. So let's go and select Set Featured Image. Most of the time, we recommend using the same image that you've already put into your blog post as your visual, also using that as your featured image. So let's go ahead and do that today. Set Featured Image. Great, now we're all set. Now before you publish your blog post, like with any content that you're creating or editing, let's take a look and see how it looks. So in your white Publish box on the right-hand side, select the Preview button again. And then we'll go and see how it looks. And here's our image right at the top. And all of your new text will appear here. And everything else is pre-formatted for you. And you can see that the category and everything is pulling up how it should. All right, if you're happy with how your blog post looks, next you can hit the blue Publish button. Now remember from editing content that the blue Publish button does push your new blog post live. So make sure you only hit it when you're ready for your blog post to be live on the web. Once you've done that, you'll see that your blog post is now on your blog feed page as your most recent post. Congratulations, you've just created a new blog post.